Hello and welcome back. Have you ever wanted to write down exactly what someone said? That's where speech marks come in. Today we're going to explore how to use speech marks for quoted speech. If you want to learn about the difference between direct and indirect speech, check out my video linked above. Speech marks, also called quotation marks or inverted commas, are punctuation marks that look like this: a single set or double quotation marks. They are used to show direct or quoted speech, the actual words someone says out loud. The marks are placed at the beginning and the end of the spoken phrase. In Australia, we generally use single quotation marks for direct speech, citations and titles, while double quotation marks are kept for a quote within a quotation. Here are some key rules to remember when using speech marks. Speech marks go at the beginning and end of the exact words spoken. For example, Harry said, "Let's go for a run." Here we can see the speech marks are at the start and the end of the exact words Harry said. Always capitalise the first word inside the marks. Punctuation, like a comma, full stop, question or exclamation mark, goes inside the closing mark. A new line is used for a new speaker. When using direct speech in your writing, start a new line every time the speaker changes. For example, Harry said, "Let's go for a run." "Isn't it going to rain?" replied Kyle. Notice how Kyle's speech is on a separate line to Harry's. Use a comma to separate the speech from the narration. Do not capitalise the start of the second part of the quoted speech. For example, "That's okay," said Harry. "We can still run." Notice here that the W on the word we at the start of the second part of quoted speech is not capitalised. Let's see if you can spot the correct use of speech marks in the following examples. Mum said, "It is time to go to bed." Which one of these shows the correct use of speech marks? That's right, it's B. Try this sentence. "Where did you put my umbrella?" asked Meg. Which one is correct? That's it, it's A. Last one. "I'm not sure," said Emma, "whether we should take the shortcut." Did you spot it? Option C has the correct use of speech marks and punctuation. Once you know the rules, speech marks are simple to use. Go ahead, bring your characters to life, quote your sources with confidence, and let your writing do the talking. If you found this helpful, hit the thumbs up button and head over to my channel for more learning videos. Got a question or a topic you'd like covered? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.